this section of our Journey webinar about customer journey mapping, I'm going to talk briefly about how conversational AI can help with streamlining the customer journey. Artificial intelligence can do immense things for organizations across the board. But from a customer experience perspective, artificial intelligence can be specifically effective with acquiring and onboarding customers. Implementing artificial intelligent conversation in your organization can offer you more channels to reach customers through each stage of the journey. Imagine adding instant communication 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year to your website and to messaging apps. With over 5 billion monthly active users on messenger apps, this is certainly an opportunity worth considering. You don't necessarily need to sacrifice personalization or human touch for faster responses. Sophisticated AI technology today can deliver tailored, emotionally attuned responses based on lead profiling and conversation engagement. In terms of delivering solutions for the user, AI chat is no longer just answering FAQs for existing customers. A user can find out information about your product and then make a purchase or sign up directly within the app. Of course, it can answer queries or check account statuses for existing customers too. Conversational AI truly is an opportunity to streamline the entire customer journey. AI aside, sometimes the best way to start the customer journey mapping process is to attend a workshop, and luckily at Journey, we offer just that. Our customer journey mapping workshop will help you define one of your customer personas and then map that persona's customer journey with your company. But the end goal of the workshop is not just to map the customer journey. It's actually unlikely we'll be able to create a fully detailed map of every one of your personas in just one day. Rather, we hope that you can leave the 3-hour workshop with handy templates, a draft of your first journey, and some ideas on how you can streamline that journey. We're passionate about customer experiences, and we hope to spur more companies to surge towards customer obsession and carry out further research into how they can indeed do just that. If you have any questions about customer personas, customer journey mapping, or AI, we'd love to hear from you. Just drop us a line at letschat@JRNY.ai. To access our templates, just visit JRNY.ai/downloads. Or better yet, if you're interested in a Journey workshop for your organization, just visit JRNY.ai/workshops and fill out the interested form. Thanks for listening.